Hello, Morris Dimba here. Today we are going to work on the crane girder reinforcement, the crane rail clamping. Okay, we'll go straight to our isometric view. As usual, we'll go to view, navigate, rotate our model. If you take a closer look, you'll see we have our crane rail here. Just bring it closer. This is our crane rail. This is our crane rail. Double click on the crane rail and check on variety of crane rail sizes available. Under crane rails, we have section A MRS 887A, A75, A100, A120. We picked A75 because of the size of our girder. Once you've selected, just go and apply and click OK. Cancel that. We'll go straight, start clamping our crane rail. These are our clamps. These are our clamps. Can remove that, probably bring it back. Go to steel, click bolt, click this member, press space and click on that member. Click that end, not coming up. Undo that. Go to bolt, click the clamp, click press space, click that end and that end. You are good to go. Now we'll copy these clamps plus bolts along the crane rail, but this will require us to come up with specific measurements between the clamp to clamp, clamp to clamp. We'll select all this. Note that we'll select the clamp, press Ctrl, click the bolts, right click, go to special copy, linear, sorry, supposed to be linear, disable that command, click that clamp and click this clamp, right click, go to special copy, linear. But before you execute the command, check your axis. We have the Y and the X. Now we'll follow the X axis. Now along the X axis, we have this dialog box just closer to our model here. We'll feed our interval measurements at Y axis, at X axis I mean. We need an interval of probably 2 meters, 2 meters. 2 meters. We need this 6. Press copy. There are our clamps, but they have just exceeded to that end, which we don't really need that. What we want is from this end, this and that. Now the rest we will delete. Click on the screen, click that, highlight everything, highlight that and delete. Make sure your clamps and bolts are properly located. Go to view, go to navigate to enable you navigate through your model properly. Just rotate properly. It has clamped very well. Check the clamp. Let's clamp. Let's clamp 3, clamp 4. Now we will copy our girder plus our crane rail, but before we do that, we need to fix our stiffeners on the crane girder. To have a clear view on the crane girder, we come to window, come to view, to grid A. Bring the girder closer. Go to view. Change your work plane tool. Want to locate it here. Want to locate it here because you want to work on a XY plane. XY plane. Locate it there. Right click to disable that command. Now we want to fit our stiffeners here and distribute them along this girder. We go right away on the plate. There and here, and link it up. You can copy that to the other end. Copy this here. Not properly copied. Delete that. Copy. Copy that there. Right click, disable the command. Go to isometric view. If we check, you see the thickness of our plate is close to 80. Double click here. Come to profile. Change this to 12. Click modify, apply and OK. Same here. Go to plate, profile, type 12. There you go. Now copy all these. Right click, go to special copy, linear. If we take a look at our XY axis, our Z runs along the girder and the crane rail. Now the interval measurements between stiffener to stiffener will feed on Z. Now we need 8 of them. We need 6 of them, probably 6 of them, at an interval of 2 meters. Six of them, and just go and copy, expand, have a look on what we've done. It has taken a wrong direction. Undo that. Right click to disable that command. Come to view. Go to work plane tool. Click that. Change your axis. Want to change our axis. Right click, disable that. Select the 2 plates, right click, go to linear. go again to your axis. You have y-axis running this direction and x-axis going that way. Now on the x-axis, feed the 2 meters. This one put 0 and click copy. Click OK. There you have your stiffeners. Right click and disable that. You don't need this. Delete. Delete all this. Delete that. Delete this. You don't need them anymore. There you are. That's our stiffener. Just turn around and check. Turn around and check. Our rail has been clamped properly. Now, the next step, we are going to copy our crane girder plus the stiffeners plus the clamp to join with the other end of the girder. So we'll highlight everything here. Press Ctrl. Make sure everything is selected. Make sure everything is selected so that you carry everything. Carry everything along. Disable that command. Select everything. Rotate around. Now we want to pick our crane girder and crane rail and join it with the other end of the crane rail girder. Right click, copy. We want to join this end, this end, and this end. What we have left back are the stiffeners. You undo that because you want to carry everything along with us. Just copy that, highlight that, click that and this. Make sure everything is carried along with you. Click that, and this. That and this. Make sure everything is picked. You walk along with everything. Save time. Rotate. Disable the rotate command, press Ctrl and pick that. Pick that. Pick that. Check around whether you've picked everything necessary for your shifting to the other end. Right click, go to copy. We'll pick it from this end. Bring it to this end. And again bring and join it with this end. Join this here. Join this. join that, I'm unable to see that point, rotate. My command is still active. My copy command is still active. There I'm able to see. I disable that rotate command and continue. Join that end. Join that. 60 meters is quite long. Join that. There we are. Right click, disable that command. Come to navigate, to rotate. Rotate your model around. Just rotate that. Rotate that. Come to this end. Click, navigate, rotate. If you take a look at this, you see your crane guard and a crane rail has extended beyond the shade length. What we will do, we will come here on the rail, just rotate, just rotate. And copy this on the other side. Make sure everything is highlighted. Rotate. Make sure everything is picked. Pick that, pick that, pick this and that, that, this and that, this and that, that and this. Pick that and that. Just move on. That and this, that one and this one. Make sure you pick everything. That one is picked. This one and this one is picked. That is picked. Pick that, everything. Pick that. Pick that. Pick that. Pick everything, everything. Pick that and this, that and that, that and that. That and that, this and that. There we are. This one, that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one. We want to copy that this side. What we are going to do, come to window, grid A, and mirror this. Right click, go to special copy, mirror. That's our mirror line. Come to that end, click that, copy, expand. Okay. What hasn't copied are the plates. The plates here. Click that plate, right click, special copy, mirror. Our mirror line is here. Copy. Okay. That's our plate. Go to window, go back to 3D. View, navigation, rotate with the mouse. Click at a point you want to rotate. About. Click the plate, right click, copy. I'll pick that, copy it there, copy that there, copy that there. Delete duplicate. Delete duplicate. Okay. There we are. Rotate. Now we'll go straight to reinforcing our girder. Rotate. Copy this, that, press Ctrl, copy that and that. Right click, copy. Copy that there, that one. We'll copy this here, check whether it has copied properly. We'll copy this one here, that one there, that one there, there, all the way to the last column. This one hasn't reinforced properly. Load. Flight modify. Right click, disable the command. That's 101. Delete that. Go to application and components. Let's type 101. Like that. So we have reinforced our girder. Now we need to copy this and mirror on the other side. This will only be possible if we pick everything here. Highlight that, click that, pick that, pick that, make sure you touch every member you want to mirror. That one is right, this one is right, that one is right. We need to pick this, pick that, and pick this. We'll come to our window, View 2 Grid A. We don't need obstruction. Right click, special copy mirror. This is our mirror line. Click that, come down here, click that, click copy. Okay, it has mirrored this side. That's right, and fine with us. Right click to disable the command. Right click again to disable the command. So these are our girder stiffeners, crane rail, girder reinforcement. We go to our isometric view. Go to navigation to rotate your model. There you are. I think we'll end up at this point. Continuation of side cladding purlins on the next presentation. Thanks for watching our video.